Hi, so today we're going to be working on Chapter 9, Lesson 6, and we're going to be adding mixed numbers. So we've already covered mixed numbers, so you just need to remember that mixed numbers are numbers with a whole number and a fraction. I call them mixed up numbers because I can't decide what they want to be. They have a whole and a fraction. You can decompose mixed numbers to add them. Use the associative property to group the whole numbers and add the like fractions together. So basically we're going to be adding the whole number and the fractions. So let's go ahead and look at this example. Madison made a fruit salad. She used 3 1/4 cups of strawberries and 2 1/4 cups of blueberries. Ooh, that sounds yummy. How many cups of berries did Madison use altogether? Okay, well, we know right here that remember to pay attention to our vocabulary. Altogether means we're going to be like adding or multiplying. We're adding here. And this is how the problem is written out, 3 1/4 plus 2 1/4. So this is one way you can do it. We're going to decompose each mixed number as a sum of whole numbers and unit fractions. So, sounds like a lot, but don't let that stress you out. I have 3, this 3 is right here, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and the 1/4 is here, plus this 2, 1 plus 1, right there, and 1/4. Okay, so now we're going to add all of the ones together. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the 1/4 and the 1/4 right here. So if I add all of these ones together, I have 5 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, 5 plus, that's 2/4. So I have 5 and 2/4. Now remember, we always want to simplify our fractions. So we're going to turn this 2/4, we're going to make it in simplest form right here, and we are going to divide both of these by 2 to get 1/2. So Madison used 5 1/2 cups of berries. And here they show you with the models. We have the 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and the 1/4, and then we have the 2 and the 1/4 shown in models. And always don't forget to simplify. Okay, so we're gonna add these mixed numbers up again. In a different way. We're going to be basically turning our mixed numbers into improper fractions, which is an equivalent fraction because they equal the same amount. So to add like fractions, add the numerators and keep the denominators the same. All right, so they want us to find 1 1/3 plus 2 1/3. Okay, so we're going to turn these in to equivalent fractions, improper fractions. So in order to do this, we're going to take this one whole right here, and we're going to turn it into 3/3. Because we know that the denominator is 3, so one whole would be 3 parts out of 3 parts. And we're going to add that to the 1/3, which is right here. So I go 3 plus 1, because I'm adding that, and that, remember, always stays the same. So now we have 4/3. Okay? Now we're going to do the same thing with the 2 1/3. I'm going to take this 2. There's 2. Now there's 2 of them, so I have to go 3/3, that's 1. 3/3, that's the 2. And then add that to the 1/3. So they show us here, 3 plus 3 plus 1, 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. And remember, our denominators stay the same. They've also shown us that here with the models, what that looks like. Okay? And now we're going to go ahead and add the like fractions. 4/3 plus 7/3, 4/3 plus 7/3. 4 plus 7 is, hope you said that, 11. Remember, denominator stays the same. Now, of course, we do not want to leave that as an improper fraction. We want to turn that back into a mixed number. Okay, so write the improper fraction as a mixed number. The model shows 11 divided into groups of 3. Okay, so we are going to put we know that we have this many groups, and then we are going to, 3 in each group, excuse me, and so we can make 3 whole groups, and then we have 2 left over. So our answer is 3 2/3. So 1 1/3 plus 2 1/3 is 3 2/3. All right? And right here, this is something that you'll be talking about hopefully with your teacher in small groups. Explain how adding mixed numbers is different than adding whole numbers. Okay? Good luck.